The adventures of Dad and Julie continue. Our flight got delayed till tomorrow. Home sweet home! Come in and check out my room. Dad and I have made it to Cairns. We all checked into the Novotel and we decided that we would book a deluxe room with a pool view. Oh my gosh, what a view, and not a cloud in sight. First meal in Cairns, what did you get? A crispy
bacon cheeseburger.
Yum. Thank you.
Are you guys waiting on anything else?
No, that's fine.
A few moments later.
Full of lunch, full of froyo, and it's time to head down to the pool. If anyone needs me for the rest of the year, you can find me here. All dressed up and ready to go for dinner. Cheers! Cheers.
Happy birthday.
That's not your birthday yet. Wow. Yum. Okay. Amazing. Thank you. Ooh. Full? End of day one, done and dusted, full tummies, and it's time to go inside and chill out for the night. Anything to say? Good night. Good morning YouTube fam. Oh my gosh, I look so tired, but it's 5:30 in the morning and I am off to the gym. I've left Dad sleeping in bed, so I'm gonna go to the gym, train, and then we're having breakfast and an eat-in today. This gym is massive. Absolutely smashed it in Genesis Gym, and now it's 7 AM, it's time to go home. We're back to the hotel. I guess Novotel's home now. Shower, freshen up, and then Dad and I are having breakfast and heading out for a full day of adventure. Finished gym and birthday boy is wide awake. How are you feeling? And now it's my breakfast time. Waffles. My kind of breakfast. Pineapple, birch and muesli, nuts, and Dad has fresh fruit, coffee and orange juice. And an egg white omelette. Oh my gosh! We might possibly have rented from the worst rental car place in history, but we are ready to roll. We're going to go find some waterfalls in our little two-door rental car. First lookout point of the day. Hills Point, Lake Barron. Little tour through Cairns. After you, sir.
Well, I suddenly feel my vertigo coming on.
Dad's of Instagram.
Hello.
Woo! Just got home. It is 3:30. I have done over 19,000 steps and it is definitely time for the pool. Yay! Perfect way to spend the afternoon. Night number 2 with the birthday man. We're off to dinner. birthday man looking very dapper. Yeah.
Perfect.
Birthday boy. Woke up this morning early, made all my subs, left Dad sleeping in bed, smashed a workout in Genesis, and it is time for me to go and have breakfast with Dad. So it's our last full day in Cairns and I'm already sad to be leaving. Typical egg white omelette, all the veggies, and they even have a self-serve pancake machine. Yes! How cool is this machine? It squirts it out. Amazing. Post-breakfast stroll down the Esplanade. Post-walk, post-breakfast, pool time.
Smiles a while, that. You're on Is it he or she?
What's her name?
Cute.
Roped Dad into doing the activities with me. Strapped up and ready to go. Touching his stomach, giving it a belly rub. Last night in Cairns and Dad's strapping on his shoes, ready for steak night. I told him to hurry because I'm hungry. It's like the things Dad say. You're lucky I didn't get that on camera. You lead the way, sir. On a scale of 1 to 10, how hungry are you? Ta-da! Thank you. Oh my gosh, amazing. Thank you. Have you ever had a froyo?
No.
70 years old and he's never had a froyo. Your life is about to be changed, Dad. First time trying froyo. Dad's first froyo.
Crocodile teeth on it.
No. Last morning in Cairns. Oh my gosh, my voice is going. It's 5 AM and I'm off to the gym. Last buffet breakfast.